Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to do an online photo shoot using Gemini AI. It's very simple and I'll guide you step by step. First, let's understand what Gemini can do. Gemini is an advanced AI tool that allows you to generate realistic and creative images simply by using text prompt. Instead of setting up cameras, lights, and a studio, you can describe your ideas in words, and Gemini will turn that description into a photo like image. It can create fashion shoots, outdoor scenes, product photos, or even artistic and fantasy style pictures. Gemini also allows editing so you can change backgrounds, adjust lightings, or refine details until the image looks exactly the way you want. Gemini takes your imagination and transforms it into professional looking visuals, all online without the needs for expensive equipments. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Sign in with your Google account to start creating. First, decide on your concept. Think about what kind of photo shoot you want. If you want consistency, you can upload a reference photo. This helps Gemini generate image that look like the same person in every shoot. Okay, now you can see the Gemini window. Now click the plus sign here and select the image you want to edit. Then upload it. Okay, in this image there is a small house. There is a small house. I want remove this house. So I want to remove the house here. So I am typing to remove this house. I am typing edit colon remove this house and submit. Okay, now you can see result. There is image without house. Gemini, remove the house. Now I want to make a woman sitting on this stone. So now I upload a picture of a woman. This woman should be sitting on a rock. She should also be wearing a sari and holding a flower in her hand. This description must be typed correctly. Okay, now I'm typing the description I want. Now I submit it. Let's see result. Okay, generate the image. Okay, there is a result. Okay, there is a little bit difference from what I said, but I can re-explain what I want and create the image as I need. Okay, I explained what I want again. Now I am Submitting. Let's see the result. Okay, this way we can generate the image we want by repeatedly changing the text. I have included some prompt in the first comment. You can copy them and create some beautiful photos. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in another video like this. Have a nice day.